Remember that picture you took of the house? You could put that house on a postcard and put on there and have, it's all custom, and you can have this set up. So all you do is push a button, said, "Hey, Ralph, did you know that your house looked this ugly? Or I can make this problem go away for you."
You're listening to 5 Hour Real Estate Week, where you'll learn to consistently buy real estate in only 5 hours a week. So if you're ready to invest in real estate, achieve financial freedom, and own the lifestyle you deserve, even with your job, this is the show for you. Now, here's your host, Mike Butler.
Okay, and welcome to Toolbox Tuesdays. Mike Butler here. And this tool that I'm getting ready to tell you about was listed in an article in Forbes magazine as in one of the top 5 tools, must-have tools for today's real estate investors. What I'm getting ready to share with you right now was number 1. You heard a while back about number 2 was the Investor Carrot website. Well, this one beat that out. Okay, and it's number 1. It's called DealMachine.com. Now, once again, I got to meet the creator of this, and he's from Indianapolis, just 2 hours north of where I'm at right here. But this thing here, I wish there was something like that when I got started. Gosh, it'd have saved me so much time. And if you're doing real estate and trying to knock it out in 5 hours a week, this is a must-have program. Now, let me tell you about it, what it does. First of all, you can try it, kick it, play with it, everything for free for 7 days without a credit card, okay? Use my promotion code, and I've struck this deal with David, who created this. Use my promo code called M Butler, just all small case letters, M Butler. And if you use that promo code, I'll put $10 into your account to use for the things I'm getting ready to describe to you. But here's the way it works. So imagine you're driving down a street and you say, "Oh, there's an ugly house." It doesn't have to be ugly. It can be a pretty house. For whatever reason, it catches your interest. You can literally, in your car, sitting in a driver's seat, stop your car in front of that house, take a picture of it using your Deal Machine app that's on your cell phone, on your smartphone. Take a picture of that house, and bingo, I'm not kidding, in probably 2 seconds, way less than 3 seconds, it pulls up the owner's information, their address, all kinds of information about this property. And it is mind-boggling. What would used to take perhaps 30 minutes to an hour to root around and play on your computer, digging it all up, which we thought was good when computers came around, the internet and all. Deal Machine, bingo, take a picture of it, it pops up. Now, you can also just punch in an address, and it does the same thing. That is powerful. Now, it gives you the history of the property, gives the owner information, and then you can, why did I put $10 in here? The reason I put $10 in your account, because it allows you to do these other things that you can pay as you go. For example, okay, so the Deal Machine 7-day free trial, use promo code MButler, all small case, that's only $49 a month. But you're going to get your first 7 days for free, and I'm going to put $10 in your account. You get 500 leads per month that this will save and store for you. You're going to get a full-time access team member. That's you, okay? And so you get to access this from anywhere. Now, here's something that's really cool, because your time is so precious and valuable, so is mine. It allows me to add what they call a driver, a deal finder. Think of it as a bird dog. So it could be a mailman. It could be a pizza delivery person. It could be somebody that's retired and just wants to ride around or whatever and take a different route to the grocery store. Somebody that's hungry, that when they see something that fits your interest. In my situation, my maintenance supervisor has this. My maintenance guys all have this as deal finders. They see something, boom. They get access to mydealmachine.com with their own username and password, and the only thing it lets them do is to take a picture, add an address. They cannot see any of my other deals. They cannot see any of the other Bird Dogs deals, okay? Then if I buy one of those, I give them a bonus based on the purchase price, anywhere from $500 to $1,000, sometimes $2,000 or more. So you get a free driver, okay, 500 leads per month. Now, here comes the things that cost a little bit more the money, while I'm putting $10 in there so you can get the full benefit. You can have, for 55 cents, it will allow you to send out a postcard. They call it a mailer. But remember that picture you took of the house? You could put that house on a postcard and put on there and it's all custom, and you can have this set up. So all you do is push a button, said, "Hey, Ralph, did you know that your house looked this ugly? Or I can make this problem go away for you." Blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to put on there to text. And for 55 cents, it sends out a postcard with the photo of the property you just took a picture of. Isn't that cool? Okay. Skip tracing, 14 cents to unlock that. Now, if you want to have a ballpoint pen letter, something actually written in what looks like ballpoint ink, that's $1.75. And there's a mobile app that goes mobile map, so you can plot these things out if you're going to go around and map them out like a UPS driver or FedEx driver or Amazon driver. And there's an extension that you can add on to your Chrome so you can watch on your laptop, desktop, all this and that. And it is just phenomenal. This is the best thing since it's better than sliced bread for the real estate investor. This is phenomenal. I want you to try it. Go to DealMachine.com, punch in promo code MButler, and I'll put $10 in your account. Doesn't cost you a penny to use it for 7 days. Okay, and the $10 will stay in there. If you like it, okay, you want to use it, it's only $49 a month. I'm telling you, it's up there. Forbes listed as number 1 must-have tool for today's real estate investor. I agree 100%. Don't worry about, you do have to worry about the cost, but think about this. If you get one deal out of it and it makes you 10, 15, 20,000 bucks, how many months can that cover for you? Plus all the other deals coming up, wholesale opportunities. They're not all going to be in your target neighborhood, and especially if you're investing in another town, get you a Bird Dog deal finder in that town because you can't go riding around over there. I mean, this just solves a ton of problems for you. So check it out. Go to DealMachine.com. Sign up for that 7-day. I think you might have 14-day free trial, 7-day free trial, but no credit card needed. Just sign up and use my code MButler, and I'll put $10 in your account. And the next time we get on there, I want to hear about your deals. And we'll put you on Winter Wednesdays to show your success on doing this, all from your comfort of home without you having to get out and beat the bushes and carry umbrellas and all this and that. It is phenomenal. This is great stuff, guys. I'm sorry, but get the DealMachine.com. You won't regret it. Adios. Bye-bye.
Glad you joined us for another episode of 5-Hour Real Estate Week. The best thing you can do now is put this information to action. To help you get started, Mike created a free resource for you called How to Buy 50 Houses a Year, Even with Your Job. Download it now by going to MikeButler.com/50 houses. And we'll see you on the next episode.